Oh god! Oh,
Ah! Jesus fuck! Oh my god! I actually thought I was about to fucking die! Oh my god! Oh. Fuck! I'm not gonna lie, I actually need a second. That fucking... I wasn't expecting the dog. Oh man! Fuck! Oh Jesus! Fuck! I was waiting for him to jump over the wall. Oh!
I still know him. He doesn't jump over the wall.
You might need to tell me.
I sure I did. Think of it. Oh, so
I think that's so the intro for my video. To be fair.
That's fair. That's fair.
Yes, but anyway, guys, how's it going, Mother Dragon here again? It's actually very weird saying my intro knowing you can hear it.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? I don't like recording when other people can hear me. It makes dual vlogging hard. But at the same time, I know you're as massive a loser as I am, so it's okay.
Yay! But as you can see, I'm joined by a guest, and you can probably tell from his size, it is Lucky Luke.
And my class leather.
Yeah, it is Lucky Luke.
Oh, look at him right here.
But yeah, I'm joined by the GorillaBiker. Look at him in all his glory. And behind me, which you can probably see in my mirror, is WhatWouldGrantDo. I feel this needs a celebratory wheelie. There he is. Oh, you bastard! Oh, you bastard! I brought it up and went, I'm gonna drop it. But we are oh, that's a nice house. Me and the GorillaBiker are dueling it. Look at us. And his beautiful new bike with his beautiful new leathers. That Grant's just in my way and I can't really see now, so whatever. Oh.
I just ruined Grant's video and I am pleased about it.
Ruin it.
I ruined it with my body. My body. My booty.
Your boobies.
Who says booty? Oh, look at my booty. Like a cheap
yeah,
booty,
I was going to say butty. Oh my god, are we going up gravel now?
No, we're not.
Oh.
Locals put in those signs because they don't like fashed because they're stupid. Everyone likes fashed.
Do they like revs?
Probably not, but couldn't tell you.
Oh my god.
So what are we going to talk about today, James? We're going to talk about the fact I'm bringing you on a wee little tour of some roads in Kilkenny.
You know what I just realised as well?
What?
Like all my other videos, I get stuck behind slow people. And that's exactly what we're doing.
It's alright, we can stay silent for a moment if you like and not, you know, only see him. We'll be onto a main road where we can get past everyone soon.
Fucking hell.
To be honest, look, I'm going to go out on a limb here, I'm going to say it on the internet, right? The Volkswagen Crafter is a nice van, and since he owns a Crafter, I'd ride him.
Oh, okay. You've heard it here, folks.
Yeah, you know?
An exclusive.
And I'm saying I'd ride him because I'm probably bigger than him, so you know, if either of us is forcing ourselves, I won't go there.
Oh my god. I'm just not even going to reply to that, to me.
Why not? Did I make you uncomfortable?
Very.
Oh, good.
Move over, let me take a look at this bike. Let me take a look at it. I said move over and you move into me. That's very nice.
Yeah, sure.
Look at it.
On time. Get up
It's dirty.
It is dirty. I'm sorry I forgot to clean it, okay? Ah!
And there's WhatWouldGrantDo. Hello. We're all here. We're all in this together. Do. You ready? That was a really bad wheelie.
You're a bad wheelie.
Hello.
Hi.
But you know what your new bike doesn't have?
What?
Cruise control.
Well, yeah, it does. Watch. See, it's definitely staying at the same speed.
Relatively.
Yeah. I have cruise control for lots of little bits and pieces.
My old bike had a cruise control. It's called a sticky throttle.
So
it worked great. It worked great till you wanted to slow down.
Actually, tell us all about your MT10, James, because it's only back to full life fairly recently, isn't it?
No, it's actually back 2 months or so.
Yeah, but I mean like more repairedness.
Yes, it is all repaired and in its former glory. Apart from a few little marks, but they make it go faster, so...
Yeah, marks make you more powerful in the long run.
Well, it's air, you know, aerodynamics and whatnot.
Oh, yeah, speed holds. Speed holds.
You want to wear some Speedos?
Yeah?
Yes.
Like, obviously, look, I dress in leather all the time now, so Speedos are just an extra compliment.
Those now?
I'm actually naked under these.
I'm naked underneath my clothes. Oh. But yeah, my 10 is back to former glory, and as expensive as I really thought. But it's okay because, you know, insurance would have fucking ruined me, so... Thanks, buddy!
That's the problem, like, if you had gotten that fixed through insurance, it would have ended up more expensive in the long run.
Well, yeah, put it this way, I'm putting a video together about the kind of cost so far. I think a ballpark is about $3,000, and that's only because parts are expensive for this bike. But if I was to go through my insurance, I probably wouldn't have gotten insured on 1,000 for another 5 years minimum.
Yeah, and then you have that loading every year for those years, so you would have been paying way over the odds as well.
Yeah, exactly, and I'm already paying over the odds because I'm a young fucker on a 1,000. So they're like, aha, we're gonna take all his money.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I am happy that it's back because I love that bike, as you know.
So do I. Hey, we can swap.
We can swap again, yeah?
Yeah, and you can do a proper video on it, like a full video maybe if you want.
Yeah,
I'm
okay with that. We're going left here, by the way.
Oh, fuck.
I realised you didn't know.
I couldn't see your indicator. Oh my god.
That's your fault. Oh, look at me. Oh, I'm on your left. It's another airplane. It's another airplane. Oh, Moto Dragon trying to kill himself again. I have been soundly emasculated by Grant.
Hey, you fly by me, I don't know where I'm going. Me and Grant were on the way down and it was probably about an hour of a spin, so we were very bored, but thankfully I had cruise control because, you know, as stupid as cruise control sounds, when you actually have it, it's like amazing, because you don't have to kind of worry about speeding tickets. You just put it in and go. And I always thought cruise control was stupid until I used it. It has changed my life. But we were on a big straight bit of the road and I was so bored, so I was like, right, let's see what gear I can wheelie in. And the first gear I tried was 4th gear, and I definitely wheelied, put it that way. And then I gently placed it at about 200 kilometers an hour.
Yeah. So if you watch my latest video, James, you'd know that we're...
This?
I didn't even notice that.
Oh my god.
That's for if you want to go for a cycle with your loved one and never leave their side.
Man, if I had that, if I had Mrs. Dragon on the back, I'd just fart the whole way.
We got blocked by a Nissan Qashqai. That's nearly as bad as a Micra, but not quite as bad as
if it was the Qashqai's alright. They got a bit of oomph on
No,
them.
they're not. You take those words out of your filthy mouth. Watch the stones here.
Oh.
Oh, prettiness over the bridge.
Oh, I can't look at me standing on the bike. I'm too far forward. Doesn't work. Where are we going? Follow the road or going?
Just follow me, you big goof.
Oh man, don't be like that.
Is this how this dual vlog is going to be? Where are we going? Just
pretty much, yeah. Have you ever watched any of my other dual vlogs? Where are we going?
Well, I'll get off this bike now at a point and just fight you on the dual vlog, and that'll be a fighting dual vlog.
Got nature out.
Why are you kicking for? Because he wanted to. Horses!
Horses! Oh Jesus Christ! I got too excited.
Oh, thanks for deafening me, James.
No
Appreciate
problem.
it.
At least it didn't burp.
Well, you've burped several times in my ear holes today, so you know.
Yes, I did. Oh, train track.
I want to overtake this Citroën.
Citroën.
Bram, bram.
Skirt, skirt.
So, James,
Hello.
let's do an interview. Tell me a little bit about your plans for this. Nothing.
Wait, I'm coming
You
up.
have
I'm
no
coming up
plans.
beside you. You're the plan. Wait. Come on.
No.
Slow back down, you fucker.
No. I want to hold hands.
Wait, I can control the speed. Oh, it's going too fast. Woohoo.
This one's really sharp and downhill.
Whee. There's some nice roads. I like going on roads I don't know.
Ah, this is a lovely road.
I don't know, it's like the excitement of kind of, it just sounds actually weird now I'm going to say, it's like the excitement of, if I don't know this bend and I go too fast I could die, it's kind of fun.
No, you see, here's the thing, right? And I said it in, I don't know if I said in a video or a podcast of someone, but it's kind of why I like the Magna so much. Like the Magna could decide to kill me at any point in time, and I love it. And it's weird that I love it because that's absolutely ridiculous, but I do.
Yeah.
So,
Sorry, you know what? You know what's the worst car to be behind, other than a Qashqai or a Micra, is a fucking Leaf.
It's a Leaf. You're not even emissions free. You're lying. Look, it's lying right on its boot. It says emissions, 0 emissions, and it's not 0 emissions. Because where does the power come to charge you?
Yeah, and not to mention the amount of time, effort, and money involved to actually make the batteries is quite.
Yeah, and
it's actually horrible. I don't actually want to get into it because there's going to be people that know a lot more than us.
Yeah, but there's going to be people who know a lot more than us. But who wants to buy a car that you're like, oh, I can do 170 kilometers maybe today, depending on how I drive, and oh good, look, there's nowhere I can charge my car currently in this part of the country. Yes.
Hey, Mrs. Dragon's parents have a Nissan Leaf.
Oh no.
Yeah, and they took a trip down to, I think it was Clare.
And they still haven't come back, have they?
Yeah, they're still pushing it. They're still plugged in. They're still plugged into a house somewhere. Well, for those who don't know, from like say Loud area to Clare, you're probably talking about 4, maybe 5 hours.
Yeah.
But they had to plan their route so that they could find petrol stations to fill up at.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sorry, but that's just stupid.
It just doesn't, like, why not just buy a bike that has a big dirty engine that burns fuel and kills all the polar bears, you know what I mean?
Yeah, every time I rev, watch, 1 dinosaur, 2 dinosaur.
I'm just burning up their life fuels. Going left here, following the
Ah,
Leaf.
fucking hell, man.
Sorry,
I am never going on a spin with you again.
I'm sorry, I should have told all the Leafses to stay at home today.
Should have told all the cars to fuck
This
off.
one clearly fell off a tree. That's a terrible joke, but I'm leaving it.
That was a really bad joke.
Yeah.
Oh, look at him. He's playing his
I would
instrument.
say I'm sorry, but I'm actually not sorry, so...
I drove an hour and a half to see your face. And we're behind traffic. That is not fun. Okay? I want my money back. Oh. Where are you bringing us? This is cool.
This is the kidney stealing place. This is Thomastown. Yeah, Thomastown's really pretty. I like it.
I may have actually... Is there an abbey here?
I don't know. There's abbeys most places in Ireland.
Yeah.
Jerpoint. Yeah, Jerpoint's near here. You probably went to Jerpoint.
Probably.
This way. Left.
Oh, I forgot. I had kept my bike in neutral this whole time, and I went to go. I was like, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you can't do that.
I hope everyone's having a nice peaceful time at the water.
Not anymore, bro. It's also really pretty. Look at this.
Is this near a place? Is this near a place called Woodstock?
Yes, that's.
I was
in my
here.
last video. Wait,
What fuck?
Why didn't
That
you
was
watch
it.
my last video?
With Toaster.
Yes.
Yeah, I did. Hello.
Hi.
Enjoy your canoe. Thank you, mate. Yeah, your man's looking at us. At least fuckers stop waving.
Why did you not comment on it then, Jameson?
Huh? Why did you not comment on my last video?
Because I didn't watch it. I have no internet.
Exactly, you fucking disgraceful. I even give you a shout out.
I always give you a shout out, probably.
I gave you a congratulations.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
When I came here, holy fuck, I got to stop it! Ah, fucking hell!
When you came.
You just bleeding through a stone in my visor and in my stomach and my ribs. Ow!
Sorry, but also not sorry.
It's gonna end up like when you were with Lucky Luke and you broke your...
Oh, you mean when Luke shattered my GoPro and ruined my whole day, and he didn't even apologise, he just laughed at me and spat at me as I lay on the ground crying.
No, that was when you hit your balls. That was fucking hilarious. That was amazing. But what was so funny about that is your feet were nearly on the ground.
Oh, it was so close to being like fine, and it wasn't. It was
yeah,
not fine.
no. That probably made it worse.
Really sore. No, it didn't.
Well,
to be honest, nothing could have made it worse because it was already terrible. Nice bike.
What I was gonna say before you started abusing me with stones and harsh words was when I came here with Orla, like,
when you came here.
Shut up! I'm telling a story.
When I came here with my girlfriend, what were you doing? You can't, like, you have a bedroom to share.
I don't like this conversation anymore.
Go on, sorry. You came here with Orla.
And it was absolutely pissing rain.
Yeah.
And we didn't realise about the hill.
Yeah.
And we have a 1 litre, and it was fucking hilarious. First gear the whole way.
Oh, that would have been bad.
Hey, you have to go ahead of me now. I'm not slowing down to be polite.
Will we pull in and have a quick chat?
I don't know.
No, there's too many cars. I'd feel awkward.
This whole video is just going to be about me coming and gaps.
Well, you did come here, didn't you?
Shut up. Really don't want this conversation anymore.
Were you excited? Were you excited to come here?
I was very excited.
It cracked me up. I'm hilarious.
I came everywhere here.
I came. I'm 12. I'm 12. I have the mind of a 12-year-old, and I'm okay with it.
It's Corona time. Oh my god, that was the single most scariest moment in my life I've ever seen come towards me. Are we actually stopping?
We may as well stop. I might drop the drone. Okay, James's viewer people. See you soon.